Hey guys, it's Shane from English Understood here, and this is part 3 of the Common Mistakes series. A lot of the time I hear my students say things like, so useful content or so beautiful girl. No. A really easy way to speak English like a native speaker is to listen to native speakers and listen for patterns. A pattern is a specific way of doing something, a particular way of doing something. So for example, if you listen to native speakers, you will never hear them say, so useful content or so beautiful girl. What would he say instead then? He would say, such useful content. It's such useful content, or such a beautiful girl. She is such a beautiful girl. We have a before girl, right? Because girl is a noun. And normally, before nouns, we need an article, right? So if you want to emphasize something and make it stronger, you can say such. For example, useful content is here. Such useful content is up here. Beautiful girl is here. Such a beautiful girl is right up here.